We are back at the Hourglass District addition and full house renovation. Right now I'm standing outside the front door, but let's go around to the side and check out some of our progress on the exterior of the house before we go inside. So we're in the same side of the house that we've been checking in on throughout the construction of this addition. And right here you'll kind of see the point where the new construction starts. So at this point in construction, we've actually come a long way since the last time we checked in. We've completed the stucco, we have completed the paint, we've completed the soffit, so you'll see it's pretty seamless where the old soffits end and the new soffits begin. The roof is complete and dried in. All of the windows have also been installed. So at this point, with a small minor tweaks here and there as far as like finishing the pool deck and that kind of thing, we are complete with the exterior of this job. So we're back at the front door. Let's take a look at how we've progressed in construction since our last video. So as you can see, we've completed drywall, completed all the inspections prior to drywall to allow us to hang and finish, and we did the paint on the walls and the tile on the floor. So the homeowner wanted to go with a porcelain look wood tile. It looks like wood planks, very large wood planks, but it's actually a porcelain tile. It's very easy for upkeep. The addition has 8-foot ceilings, and it was a little complicated as you moved into the existing house to tie those together. So we decided to do a soffit that would be seamless from the addition side over into the existing side. And I think that that finished out exactly how we were hoping. As we continue into the primary suite, there's a lot more that's been done. So we have this really nice seamless transition from wood look tile to large format porcelain tile in the primary suite bathroom. So it's kind of leading you into the bathroom. Got a small little nook here. The cabinets for this area have already been installed, so you get a really good feel how it's gonna look once it's complete. The porcelain tile is actually a lot more durable, so it's easier to take care of and it requires a lot less maintenance. If you were to install a bathroom like this with true marble, it would take a lot of sealing. That recommended is every 6 months to seal it, and also just making sure you clean up any sort of mess as soon as it is installed. So with the porcelain, none of that is required and is a lot more popular amongst people that don't have the time to clean every day. So the secondary bathroom, we actually ended up replacing the floor tile in here, and we did install a wood look vanity as well. So this will be really nice and new, and it kind of ties everything together. We haven't replaced the tile back here to match the existing, but that is coming. Throughout the rest of the house, you'll see that the wood look tile continues. We've got all of that down. This is the window that we were looking at last time, and you'll see that the hole that was here before is now gone. So we've completed all our drywall and paint, and now we're left with a really beautiful product that's getting close to the end. I'm Hillary Stalder, your design forward contractor, and we'll see you when we're wrapping this project up. Can't wait.